Alrighty. Hi, everybody. This is the walkthrough video for Wednesday. It is September 3rd in Try One Week 5. Fill in the blank. What in fruits is formed during ripening from what type of polymer through which process? Let me give you a hint. The second blank is starch, starch polymers. I don't know specifically what type of starch polymers. All right, today we're investigating the molecules in bananas, and we're thinking about making qualitative and quantitative measurements, right? Quantitative, like quantify numbers having to do with numerical analysis. And then qualitative, thinking about the qualities of things, descriptive, if you will. Today we did the Exploring Carbohydrates with Banana Lab. If you were absent, no big deal. We're going to get some data and plug you in. Just a reminder that you do need to complete the pre-lab as prerequisite for me looking at your final assignment for this lab, which will happen next week is when I think I'll look at it. So, yeah, probably not Friday, probably next week. I have to think about it. Our Unit 1 exam is next Tuesday. Our Unit 2 notes are coming tomorrow. The last call for missing late work weeks 1 through 5 is next Friday at 2:40 p.m. with no digital submissions for paper stuff. We're making a new entry in your lab notebook, even if you weren't here with us today, called Exploring Carbohydrates with Bananas. And I wanted to show you this image from a picture of a Benedict's test. The goal is to be able to test directly for reducing sugars, like the sugars that bananas make when they ripen. We did indeed see the very green banana turning very, very blue, and the ripe banana turning very, very orange for people in the lab today, which was nice. This is what those plastids look like. They have been kind of aggressively colored purple here so that you can see them. Somebody else stained the banana cells with a different stain, so I'll show you that in a minute. But in these banana cells, you're not going to be able to see a really firm cell wall. So here's the cell. And then this is one of the shapes we are looking for, those starch storing plastids. When you stain them with methylene blue, you don't see any of that staining in very ripe bananas. So you can see like in very unripe bananas. So because this isn't staining for starch, you can't see the darkness to them, but this is what cells look like. And indeed, in green banana and ripe banana, you should be counting very different numbers of these plastids. And then cells will have different amounts of them as they get used up. So this is what we did to wash, and we did not do a cool down for today. So if you weren't here, please stay on top of your work. Take a look at the Canvas calendar. There's some stuff that's associated with the Unit 1 exam that's going to be due soon. All right, that's it for me. Take care. See you soon.